The applicants, civil organizations and environmental groups argue that Shell did not have environmental authority to conduct exploration of gas and oil in the Wild Coast. They further state there was no consultation with them and there was also a risk of damaging the marine on the coast during this process. The court has subsequently set aside for review the renewal of Shell's exploration rights in 2021 and 2022 to explore gas and oil.
This case shows a very clear message that the people of the Eastern Cape, particularly the coastal communities who have a very deep cultural, heritage and spiritual association with the ocean. Indeed, many of our ancestors live in the ocean, and the ocean belongs to all South Africans. It exists in law, and whatever happens in the ocean should only happen for the benefit of the whole Earth community.
The Wild Coast is one of the most marine biodiverse coastlines in the country. Huge on fishing, it is one of the biggest economic drivers for the people of the Eastern Cape.
It's a massive victory. I think what it shows is that companies and government can't just go and do what they want to. They have to get proper consent. They have to sit down with communities, but also they have to ensure that they follow the law, which is doing some of the very basic things like an environmental impact assessment, etc.
The Department of Mineral Resources say they are still going to study the judgment. Petroleum giant Shell says it will only take a decision to appeal the Makhanda High Court judgment after it has reviewed the judgment.
We have received the news through our legal team. We respect the court's decision and will be reviewing the judgment to determine our next steps regarding the Wild Coast block. At this stage, it's very difficult for us to comment on whether we will appeal the judgment or not.
The Department of Mineral Resources, Shell and Impact Africa will have to pay cost of applicants. Lerato Fekisi, SABC News, Makhanda.